Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to mute rate suggested topics. So first you need to open up your app, and then I want you to get through your profile by tapping on this icon below, and then I want you to get through your this two lines right here on the top right corner. Tap on them, and once you are here there are multiple settings. I just want you to go into the um, privacy option. Tap on it, and right here I want you to look forward to hidden words option. Tap on it again, and right here I want you to turn the custom words and phrases to toggle it on. And after that I want you to go into manage custom words and phrases. Tap on it, and here you can add the emojis and the words that you don't want or you want to mute. So for example, hi and hello and some emojis just like that, and then tap on add, and it will be used also. Anyways guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share that video with your beloved ones. And yeah, as a note, you guys need to toggle this one on, and after you toggle it on you need to get through manage custom words, and you will enter what I already talked about right here and then add. Make sure that you follow the steps clearly. Anyways, that's it. See you next video.